All right, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're coming from. Welcome back to Dan's Trades. Appreciate you coming out. Just going to do a quick review on a trade I took just a little bit ago. So just as always, read the disclosures, pause the video. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not advice. Purely entertainment and or educational purposes only. All right, so straight to the business. It's going to be short and sweet today. I just want to throw out a thank you to Michael, ICT yourself. Maybe one day you'll hear this, who knows, but I've been studying your stuff since last year. I found you late last year, in case we didn't know, and just want to say thank you, because you brought me back to what I should be doing for myself. Yes, I have looked at other people that do other mentorships since you were no longer live, and I was always told, don't start with 2023, so I focus on 2022 model, been through core content, not all of it, admittedly, but I'm working on it, been through probably 3/5 of it, up through like month 7, give or take, I want to say. It was always said not to do 2023, because it was too hard if you didn't understand it, so I was trying to do the right thing, and then I got distracted by other people because you were no longer live, left Twitter. I get it, I understand. This is just for anybody else out there that might be going through this. If you are paying for anything else and you're getting something out of it, that's great. My personal findings are, and this only matters to me, right? I hope this helps someone that's maybe struggling similarly too, though, because I've been trading for over 10 years, and I've been trading live on ICT Concepts for the first half of this year, after I started studying them last year. But so this is just me getting back to doing my things from Michael himself, and it really is getting a lot out of being able to do it live now that I've had time under my seat time with the concepts and being able to listen to you live again. So thank you, sir. Appreciate you. Happy belated birthday. I'll join you at 52 at the end of this year. So I'm just doing the 5 handles. Check it out. 53, 56, 50. 1 minute chart. Not even looking at anything else. I was busy early on in this morning, so I came to look. They might be attacking, getting ready to attack the morning money makers. What do? We target who's winning in the AM session. So I saw micro market structure shift, little break in structure, little break here. Doesn't have to close below, remember, folks. A lot of people forget that. Just has to get below it. Doesn't have to close below it. It's not my rule, at least. And I heard Michael say that exactly, so that's why I listen to him only. Sell right on into the return. 5 handles. We closed out 1 tick one time. I was tracking on the 5-second and 15-second, which is interesting and fun to watch. No, I'm not going down to the 1 second like you did yesterday. That was hilarious, though. I love it. So here's, if we look at the 15-second, we got fair value gap. So I wasn't a big fan of this, so I was watching this closely. So my stop was above here, looking at this being the breakaway gap. So this could have easily been filled in, so my stop was taking that into account. And I'll just throw in the tool just to show. So we're going for a short right here. Stop was there, target was there. And she played right out. Closed above on a 15-second chart. And I was actively monitoring even at the 5-second. So I was prepared to see it wick up there and then maybe drop back down, but it never did get above those, so those will be used later. 15-second version. All with the annotation or the connotation or my context was we're going back to this morning's NDOG, new day opening gap from this morning. Yeah, we traded through it a few times, but that doesn't mean it's no good, right? Imagine that. And yeah, so there's a little slice. Wait for time. Time was right. Exit right on the nice move down. Call it quits. Don't need to keep farting around. Yeah, I'll probably keep going lower. It's got more business, but I got my slice. Yeah, this is live. I don't think anybody thinks I'm lying, but that's fine. Yeah, it's a real account. But thank you, sir. That was my quick trade for the day, and I'm going to be done for Friday. And I will say, you can scale this. That's all you need. It's as simple as that. So I'm going to be continuing to watch everything you do in 2024, obviously. So thank you. And that's going to do it for me. It's going to be short and sweet. If there is questions, I'm not selling anything. I'm not offering mentorships myself. I'm purely only listening to ICT going forward. Hook, line, and sinker. That's it. I'm back with it, so I appreciate you, brother. If there's a question, throw it in the comments. If I can help, I will try. I know a few people have thrown a few things, and we'll see what happens. We'll see where this goes. So thank you, and remember, tomorrow is promised for none of us. Live for today. Be safe.